How to fix TikTok missing eye icon. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, let's go to Play Store. Here you have to just check for any update. If there is update, you have to just simply update it, and if it is still not working, you have to go to profile and go for inbox on the bottom and click on activity on the top and see if there is any update from the TikTok. If there is not, you have to go back to profile, go to setting and privacy, scroll down to report a problem and go for account and profile. Click on profile page on the bottom and go for others and simply click on need more help. Here you have to just type your message that I am missing eye icon on profile page and simply repost it, and I hope they will fix your issues.